back, everyone. Today we're doing obviously a very different video than anything I've ever done on this channel. I got this dirt bike like almost a year ago for 700 bucks off Craigslist. So if you recognize this bike, you may think that's either a steal or a pretty bad deal based on the condition of the bike. So it's a KDX220r. So it's a two-stroke bike. So far, everything has been working, at least partially. So, sorry about the wind, hold on. The guy sold it to me for 700 bucks because it definitely is a project bike. But I've ridden it a lot, probably maybe 8 hours since I got it of runtime. So not too much, but enough to know that all the power that it should have is not there. And all the braking capabilities it should have is definitely not there. So we're gonna go ahead and fix all that and also make it look a lot better. So my plan on this is to paint a lot of the frame and bar and all that type of stuff. And also I'm gonna throw some KDX plastics on the front and rear fender because those are easier to come by. So it'll kind of freshen it up, and we'll see if I can get the engine rebuilt well enough to be worth it. But today's teardown, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I've got the bike apart now. You can see it is very worn out. Every single part on this needs a little bit of attention. These guys are going for sure. The carburetor I've already dealt with, so that's all good. But this needs a deep clean and a lot of rebuilds, so we'll get to it. Alright, so that was the teardown part, guys. I've got all these parts stacked up here. Engine's off, ready to get taken apart. So yeah, it's been successful so far. These are all very dirty parts. If I could go back, I'd probably pressure wash this thing before I took it apart. But we're kind of past that point right now, so I'll work with the dirt I've got and hopefully get this thing cleaned up.